Brand new to the market. Lovely Cypress Tree Condominium. Large open floor plan 2 halves with screened-in patio. First floor unit, updated kitchen. With stainless steel appliances, granite tops, tile throughout, new windows, air conditioner, Rolladen shutters. Association has updated the building with a new carpet, elevator and laundry on each floor. Super convenient to everything, secure building, all ages welcome. No lease or FHA financing, credit 640 minutes and 30,000 annual income. Make this your new home today.